Hi, this is Dr. CK Narayan coming to you from Neo Trader, and we are making a series of videos in the context of the markets about technical analysis, about trading methodology, and various other kinds of knowledge. Today, I wanted to speak about the popularity of the option markets. I find that an extraordinary number of people are into the option markets, and the volumes are booming. Now, various reasons for this. The first and foremost reason was that after options got introduced, it picked up slowly, but it changed to dramatically when the costs related to trading in options changed. First was the reset of the STT down to the premium level of the option, and that brought the cost down. Second was that brokers sharply reduced their commissions in order to increase their turnover to the point that some of the brokers today don't even charge you any commission, right? So this made option trading very, very popular. And this was both buying and selling. And initially, a lot of professional traders, big broking houses, proprietary desks, FI books from overseas, all of these were the main players. 2020 के बाद ये हुआ कि कोविड के बाद बहुत सारे लोग जो मार्केट में आए, दे डिड नॉट हैव सफिशिएंट कैपिटल, they did not have any idea or knowledge, and they did not have any support systems. So with this as the background, they all invested in 2020 because equity investing is very linear. You buy, you hold, it goes up, you sell and take your profit. So बहुत सारा इक्विटी ट्रेडिंग हुआ क्योंकि मार्केट तो 2020 के बॉटम से रिकवर कर रहा था. 2020 नॉट मच ऑफ अ प्रॉब्लम. बट जिनके पास कैपिटल नहीं था वो सब धीरे धीरे ऑप्शन मार्केट की तरफ ग्रेविटेट कर गए. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पर छोटे कैपिटल के साथ कोई काम करने का मौका था. चाहे वो आपके पास 10,000 हो, 20,000 हो, 50,000 हो, इसमें ऑप्शन की खरीदी वॉज पॉसिबल. बेचा नहीं जा सकता था क्योंकि यू हैड टू पे मार्जिन एंड पीपल डिड नॉट हैव द फ्यू लैक्स ऑफ रुपीज दैट यू हैव टू पे ऑन एवरी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, राइट? 2-3 lakhs of rupees per contract is the kind of average that you have to pay if you shorted options or if you traded in futures. तो इससे क्या हुआ, बहुत बहुत जो रिटेल ट्रेडर्स है, जो छोटे पैमाने के ट्रेडर्स है, वो सब ऑप्शन बाइंग के काम पे लग गए. एंड जब ये एक बड़ा सा मार्केट खुल जाता है तो जाहिर है कि उसमें सप्लाई भी आ जाता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ पीपल हु विल अलाउ यू और एनेबल यू टू डू दिस. सो बहुत सारा सप्लाईज आए ऑफ एडवाइजर्स. एडवाइजर्स कहाँ से आए? ये व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप और पर्टिकुलरली टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. ये टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में क्या हुआ कि ढेर सारे लोग अपने अपने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप खोल लिए और उसमें ऑप्शन बाइंग एडवाइजरी के काम शुरू कर दिए. और जो जानकार नहीं थे, फॉर देम दिस वाज लाइक अ मैना फ्रॉम हेवन कि भाई आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग बट हियर इज दिस वेरी काइंड एंड बेनेवोलेंट जेंटलमैन who is providing me this service for a very small fee, 500 rupees a month, 1000 rupees a month. My God, what can be better than this? तो सब लोग भर्ती हो गए उस स्कीम में. और वहां से वो लोग आपको एडवाइस देते थे कि भाई 15,000 का कॉल ले लो, 16,000 का पुट ले लो, फलाना फलाना जो भी है. लार्जली रेस्ट्रिक्टेड टू बैंक निफ्टी. क्यों? बैंक निफ्टी की मूवमेंट बहुत झड़पी से होते रहता था. तो इट वाज इजी फॉर पीपल टू सी दैट देयर कॉल्स वर्कड. तो 10 रुपए में लिए हुए ऑप्शन ये लोग 20, 25, 30 रुपए में बेच दिया करते थे. सो दे वर ऑल ट्रेडिंग फॉर स्मॉल रेंजेस. सो ऑप्शन स्कैल्पिंग बिकेम अ वेरी बिग एक्टिविटी. एंड दिस ऑप्शन स्कैल्पिंग में लोग जब भी आने लगे, वॉल्यूम जब भी बढ़ने लगे, the machines came into it. So the professional traders, the big proprietary books, the people with lot of capital, they all came into it, and the machines started to dominate this, particularly on the scalping side. जो positional trade लेते थे through options, like for example, you have a view कि stock X will go from 100 to 150 across this month, so I should be playing maybe a monthly option, and or I should be playing for a big move in the index through a longer dated options etc. ये पहले हुआ करता था. फिर ये कम होने लगा क्योंकि वीकली ऑप्शंस आ गए और स्पीड ऑफ मूवमेंट शुरू हो गया और स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड्स अधिक होने लगे. So because of the intense nature of scalping volume, the volume quotient increased tremendously and options became the talk of the town. So when this became the talk of the town, everybody wanted service. So Telegram groups by the hundreds came in and offered that service at cheap rates. Second, everybody wanted to know a little bit. So thousands of YouTube videos came in from people who had very limited knowledge and showed you some X, Y, or Z strategy which looked very simple to do. So now you look at the stray new trader who came into the market. He has no money, he has no knowledge, and he has no means to find out what to do. So what does he get? He gets a Telegram group which tells him that he can do a trade, and it tells him what trade to do, and it tells him that you can do it with a very small amount, which is say 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, and then it shows him the gilly gilly of some profits which will come. Then you have hundreds of YouTube channels which are free, and that is giving you some amount of training, so people are feeling confident that they can do it. So now you have a very, very dangerous situation here where half-baked knowledge is being given through very, very short 10-minute YouTube videos, 20-minute YouTube videos, where people are being shown a strategy. The strategy becomes just a chakravyu. It gets you in, but it does not tell you how to manage. Option trading, particularly if it is open for longer period of time, means lot of adjustments, and for doing adjustments you should know how to do it. So that means that you should have more than skin deep knowledge. Second, all Telegram groups are run, I would think a good percentage of them are fly by night affairs, कि दो उनको एक strategy पता है, strategy भी हल्का है, लेकिन उसके ऊपर वो लोग instead of future they substituted with the at the money option or some such trade, and then that doesn't work because it is not designed to work like that, right? So this is the thing. And the third is that people have got very limited capital, so they are not able to withstand any gyration against them. They are forced into cheaper in the sense less denomination wala option. So they buy 2 rupee option, they buy 3 rupee options or something, thinking that this is what they can trade and they will make money. So it doesn't happen that way. So all these things are happening and people are losing money hand over fist. Every week in index option, I think a few hundred crores are changing hands, and every month in index and stock options, another few hundred crores are changing hands. Where is all this money going? It is going from this undercapitalized, zero knowledge people or limited knowledge people with very low risk taking capability and zero or very poor risk management capabilities, who have an over reliance on tips and advisory services, who have no idea how to do things. The money is going from them to the professional desk, and there is a whole lot of machines which are being deployed. So you cannot match up to those machines in execution. The rates that you're seeing on the screen are most of the time not the rates that are at which it will be traded, because co-located servers, very, very high level of throughput servers at the end of the prop trading desk, etc. And algos which are able to scan and send out trades in microseconds. Microseconds is you can't even imagine a retail trader. It's about if you take one second and slash that by what I think 1 lakh time, that is equivalent to a microsecond. इतने स्पीड में तो कोई सौदा कर ही नहीं सकता, इतना स्पीड में सोच नहीं सकता है. Computers are designed, algos are designed to think at that speed and execute at that speed. तो आप प्लीज समझिए कि आप जिसके सामने खेल रहे हैं वो तो बहुत ही पेचीदा खिलाड़ी है, आप उसके सामने जीतना बहुत मुश्किल है अनलेस यू आर स्किल्ड. तो आपको क्या करना है, ऑप्शन में जरूर खेलिए, बहुत रुपया है, बहुत प्रॉफिटेबल जगह भी हो सकता है, प्रोवाइडेड ए यू गेट नॉलेज. तो ट्रेनिंग ले लीजिए, बी यू bring a lot of capital. C, don't over rely upon these fly by night advisors who are only trying to make a buck for themselves. And finally, four, develop some discipline, work on your trading psychology so that you don't overtrade and you do properly what needs to be done. So this is the message I wanted to convey about all those people who think that option trading is going to solve their problem about engaging in the market. ये होगा, बट जब भी आप राइट सही तरीके से इसमें काम करेंगे, यू गॉट टू डू द राइट थिंग, ओनली देन यू विल गेट द राइट रिजल्ट्स. So this is the main message that I wanted to convey. There are a whole lot of people offering training in options. There are good people on YouTube giving this. Search them out. There are good advisors also. Search them out and then do that. Work with good people. There are good softwares which are available. You can do that. Our own Neo Trader software will give you good ideas about how to convert whatever advice we have into option trades, etc. We also have support webinars on them. Take recourse to all this and become a more knowledgeable trader and then go into options. It is my earnest appeal to a whole lot of people out there who are trading it blindly. Don't lose your money to those who are trading it professionally. You become the profession. Thank you for joining me in this video. This is Dr. C.K. Narayan signing off for this time. Until we meet again in another video, this is goodbye. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to our videos and ring that bell icon so that you will know when we make more videos like this. Goodbye and thank you once again.